Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this morning severe weather update. So we have an enhanced risk of severe weather today from eastern Montana through North Dakota and northern Minnesota in the orange shade area. A slight risk also from eastern Montana through the UP of Michigan, northern Wisconsin in yellow, and a marginal risk in the dark green shade areas as well. And taking a look at our probabilities of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of a location today, we have a 10% chance of a tornado across central eastern North Dakota, north central Minnesota in the yellow shade area. Make sure you're on guard for numerous tornadoes today if you live in areas like Bismarck, Fargo, and Grand Forks in North Dakota. We have a 5% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location in the brown shade area from eastern Montana through northern Minnesota. Make sure you're on guard for a few scattered tornadoes if you live in the brown shade area, and a couple of isolated tornadoes are possible in the green shade area as well today. Looking at our damaging wind threat, we have a 30% chance of damaging straight line winds at 58 miles per hour stronger within 25 miles of a location across our enhanced risk area today. This includes Bismarck, Grand Forks, Fargo, and Duluth. Make sure you're on guard for numerous damaging wind gusts if you live across the red shade area today. Scattered damaging wind gusts in the yellow, isolated damaging wind gusts in the brown shade area, and some of these wind gusts could become 75 to 90 miles per hour across this hatched area today, across North Dakota and northern Minnesota. And looking at our large hail threat, we have a 30% chance of quarter-size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location in the red shade area, 15% chance in the yellow, 5% chance in the brown. And make sure you're parking your cars in the garage if you live across this large hatched area from eastern Montana through northern Wisconsin and the UP of Michigan, as you have the potential to see golf ball to tennis ball to baseball to even softball size hail with the storms today. So, timing out the storms with the 12Z run of the HRRR model, storms are going to initiate in far eastern Montana around 6 p.m. Central Time this evening, producing a very large hail as they first form. And then as we go into 7 and 8 o'clock, storms will push into western North Dakota, producing very large hail and damaging winds. And then going into 9, 10, and 10 o'clock especially, this is when we're going to be seeing a line of severe thunderstorms form across east North Dakota through northern Minnesota, with a secondary round pushing through western and central North Dakota, producing all hazards. And then going into 11 and midnight, this is when we could be seeing some really destructive storms across northern Minnesota with the destructive wind gusts and destructive hail, and more of that tornado threat as we go in towards central North Dakota as we go into midnight tonight. And then going into 1, 2, and 3 a.m., more of a damaging wind threat across north central northeastern Minnesota, the UP of Michigan, far northern Wisconsin, as multiple lines of storms move through around 2 to 3 a.m. before the storms move out of the area as we go into tomorrow morning. So make sure you're preparing now for a severe weather outbreak if you live across areas of eastern Montana, North Dakota, northern Minnesota, and Wisconsin, the UP of Michigan today. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.